So it's our 1 year celebration. Let's get started.
Hello everybody, this is me Afsha and I'm back with another video today and it's all about Career Link Solution anniversary. Yes, we completed a year with it and पता ही नहीं चला इतने जल्दी ये time कैसे आ गया. So there are a lot of things to share with you all कि why we started with Career Link Solution, how are we going, what are we looking for the future. So lot of things to share with you all, but firstly foremost I want to thank each one of you who are there with me, supported me throughout, especially my team, my parents and the some of the loved ones who are there throughout no matter what. And with all the ups and downs we have learned a lot of things. As a person I must say I have grown up. So like really thanks to each one of you and my clients who are really special. And like sometimes we got delayed in delivering their position and sometimes things are not happening as certain as we want, but still my clients are there with me and they trusted us. And that is how we are growing because of them. So thanks to each one of my client. And yes, the best part about my clientele is we are at this stage where we are not going and approaching to a client to get the requirements. We are getting the requirements through the clients directly and they are approaching us. So I must say this is one of the thing which I love to share with you all. And yes, I'm blessed with this thing. My candidates who supported no matter what. And I must say the achievement through my candidate is whosoever joining, they are growing with the company and they are staying long. And they got the stable job and good organization. So both the people are happy, so we are happy with that. And yes, all the people who joined with us, given references, the networking people, so really thankful to each one of you. And this is how we are going and growing. The main purpose why I started with Career Link is I always see there are a lot of unemployment everywhere. And if one people also employ in an family, so it will give family a stability and a good life. So I decided to go ahead and to help especially my Chhattisgarh people to work on themselves and to get the best job they in their area or outside Chhattisgarh, and to help their family in all the means they can. So I love to support. And still whosoever watching my video and still who are jobless and want some good job, so they can approach to us. And this is how we are going. We also started with our YouTube channel. So whosoever facing any difficulty related to job interview, career, or anybody wants to talk to me personally, so they can comment me, they can connect with me personally. So in any means through my experience, if I can share anything, I love to do that. And my YouTube family is not that big, so I request each one of you ki if it is not useful for you, might be if it will useful for some or the other person. So what you're waiting for, subscribe कर दीजिए, hit on the bell icon and stay connected. And जैसे ही आप लोगों ने करियर लिंक को प्यार दिया है, start giving that love in my YouTube channel too, which is again of Career Link Solution. So I want to share like when I started with this thing, I have a lot of dependency, whole family dependency. और इतनी dependency में family के लिए, when you are the only earning person and leaving your job and thinking of starting something on your own, it's a very big task. And at this particular stage where each and every member are dependent on you and you're taking that risk is very high. But I would say कि that moment is very small and your life is very big. So take that risk, go ahead, take टेक अ स्टेप अहेड. अगर कुछ सोचा है तो बस करो. बी कंसिस्टेंट और समथिंग एंड श्योरली यू विल गेट रिजल्ट. सो वो ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा, इवेंचुअली आएगा, ग्रेजुअली आएगा, बट इट विल श्योरली कम एंड वन डे यू विल फील एटलीस्ट यू आर वन स्टेप अहेड व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ. तो सोचा है तो एक स्टेप आगे ले लीजिए. एंड लाइक लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आई वांट टू शेयर कि बहुत से अप डाउन्स आए, लाइक लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर अगेंस्ट यू. ये क्या कर रहे हो, डू जॉब, अर्न money. Lot of people will say lot of negative thing about you, but it doesn't matter like how strong you are. It depends कि how you take things positively. So take everything positively. Obviously बहुत से challenges आएंगे. Think positively, understand कि उसको overcome कैसे कर सकते हैं. Through this 1 year I face lot of challenges. I have family dependency. मुझे वो सारी fulfill करनी है. I have an office to run, to give money to my team members. वो dependency fulfill करनी है. I took a big challenge where like my marriage came. I took a big challenge where this COVID situation happened. But still I want to share one thing with you all is we didn't went to a complete loss or something. Till now, yes, we might didn't earn lot of profit, but we are in no profit, no loss gain, and we are steadily going on and hoping for many good years ahead. And this is I want to share with each one of you कि अगर कुछ सोचा है तो everybody can do it. It doesn't matter कि what qualification you are up to, what family background you are up to, पैसे है या नहीं, जुगाड़ करो and start it. That's how I have done. I always wanted some business कि जहाँ मैं lakhs rupees invest करके thousands में earn ना करूँ. I want something where I invested very small penny and I will surely get result in terms of good amount, or might be I can help out some other people through my efforts. So this is what I want to share. Stay connected with us and looking lot many years ahead. And thank you each.
All the best, Career Link Solution, and keep going.
The Career Link solution. So really thanks to Aksha ma'am, and I would really recommend you all to get connected.
सोल्यूशन ही प्रेफर करें. थैंक यू.
आशा मैम और करियर लिंक सॉल्यूशन को थैंक बोलना चाहूँगा क्योंकि उनके थ्रू मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी जॉब.
बेस्ट करियर लिंक सोल्यूशन एंड कीप गोइंग.
से कनेक्ट हो जाएं. ये एक बहुत अच्छी कंसल्टेंसी है जिसके पास बहुत अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
स्पेशल थैंक्स टू अफशा मैम.
Thank you so much, Career Link Solutions.
Thanks for watching my channel and stay connected.